Hi everyone, welcome back to the SunFish video tutorial. In today's video, we'll be discussing the employee directory feature available in SunFish, a feature that may seem simple but has a significant impact. Without further ado, let's dive in. You can find this feature under the Employee module. Simply click on the Employee directory. On the main Employee directory page, you'll be able to view your own profile information, as well as the profiles of other employees registered within your company. Starting from name, job title, division, email, phone number, and other relevant information. You can also check your attendance status under the Status tab. Additionally, there are several other sections available, such as Work, Personal, Achievement, and Social Media. You can customize which information you would like to display or hide by accessing the Blue Settings tab. You can search for your colleagues by name, position, or department. One of the most interesting features is that you can view your colleagues' seating location by clicking the blue seat icon. A map will then appear, displaying the office layout and the exact seating location of your colleague. Lastly, you can directly contact your colleagues using the built-in chat feature available in SunFish. Simple, right? With this feature, you can stay connected with all colleagues across your company more efficiently and seamlessly.